National 5 chemists, this one is for you. Let's talk about the experimental apparatus we can use to monitor the rate of a chemical reaction. One of the common reactions you'll see when you're doing rates of reaction is that between marble chips or calcium carbonate and an acid. This reaction produces a gas, which means it's quite easy to monitor the rate. As the gas is produced, we can either collect the gas. The first way we can do that is by collecting the gas in an upturned measuring cylinder with the displacement of water. So if we fill this measuring cylinder up with water and put the tube in it, any gas that's produced will go through the tube and push the water out of the cylinder, which means we can measure the volume of gas that's produced by using the scale on the measuring cylinder. However, this only works if your gas is not water soluble. If your gas is water soluble, then you'll lose the gas to the water and it doesn't actually work. So what you can do instead is replace the upturned measuring cylinder in water with a gas syringe. As the gas is produced, it will fill up the syringe so you can read off the volume of gas from the wee scale. This setup will work for any gas, which makes it the best one to draw if you are asked to draw a gas collection method. However, there's another way we can do it without collecting the gas. So instead of collecting the gas, we just put the reaction on a balance and let the gas leave the flask, because when the gas leaves the flask, this mass should go down because gases have mass too. When you're using this setup though, it's important to also have your measuring cylinder that you originally had your acid in on the balance as well, so that any mass that's lost must be from the gas that's produced and left the flask. Sometimes we also put cotton wool in the neck of the flask to prevent any liquid spluttering out. We don't want any liquid spluttering out because that's going to cause a loss in mass that isn't as a result of the gas being produced. And those are your setups for monitoring the rate of a reaction that produces a gas. Bye!